If you smell what the geek is cooking. I'm cooking up some more leaks for the DJI Air 3. That's right, we've got price leaks on the DJI Air 3, which is just 4 days away from release. So, let's talk drones. What's up? It's Chris, the Drone Geek, and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Drones. Let's Talk Drones is brought to you by The Droning Company, the #1 online resource for commercial remote pilots based in the United States. Make sure you check them out online at thedroningcompany.com and across all major social media platforms. Before we get into the meat of today's video, that DJI Air 3 pricing breakdown, you may be asking yourself, if you've been following this channel for any length of time, Chris, why aren't you using your regular microphone setup? You can even see it back here in the background. Well, there's a pretty good reason for that. I have a wedding that I'm videoing this weekend for a friend, and I have an idea for a segment at the end of the video that I want to try out in this particular setting. And for that, I'm gonna need some handheld microphones. Now, instead of going out and buying 2 handheld microphones and then having them sit around and collect dust when I'm not using them for a wedding, I decided to buy the DJI mic combo. I've got 2 microphone dongles with that little transmitter, and I needed to test them out before I actually put them into practice in the field. So I thought, what better application than my very own program here on YouTube, Let's Talk Drones. The adapter that I have to make a microphone handle is from Original Dobo. This is the DJI mic traditional mic grip. Now, he 3D printed this, and what happens is underneath this windsock here, you'll see the microphone sits into a little slot, and then again, you just cover it up, and voila, you've got a professional level handheld microphone in your hands. Nobody's gonna know the difference. If you'd like to purchase the grip for your DJI microphone, or if you're purchasing the DJI microphone and you want a grip like this, I've got a link down to Original Dobo's Etsy shop. Ken, thank you, brother, for getting these out so fast. I ordered the microphones 2 days before I ordered the grip, and the grip still beat the microphones here. Thank you so much, brother. Really appreciate you. Now, enough about my microphone setup, because none of you really cared that much about it. What you do care about, though, is the Air 3 price leaks. This is potentially the last leak we're going to see before the release of the Air 3. I thought we had seen it all. And listen, I know that I've been shoving Air 3 content right down your little throats for the past few weeks, but it's because you like it! You like it and you're gonna eat more! Whew, sorry, I lost control there for a second. We do have some recent pricing leaks for the Air 3 and the different combos that come with it, so let's go ahead and take a look at those now. Now, the graphic that you see on your screen now includes the 3 different combos you can purchase with the Air 3. The original leak only included Euro pricing. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a rough conversion to US dollars below each of those. For the Air 3 base package, you'll spend around $1,200. For the Air 3 Fly More combo, that comes with the extra batteries, propellers, and the charging hub, you'll spend around $1,500. And for the Air 3 Pro bundle, which is the Fly More combo plus the DJI RC2, that Pro controller that they just came out with, you'll spend around $1,750. And that's pretty much it for this particular leak. Pretty straightforward stuff. So I will ask you now, what do you think of the pricing on the Air 3? Personally speaking, I think this is pretty fair considering the information that we know about the Air 3. It's going to perform, and it's going to perform at a pretty economical price point for most people. I'm not going to pretend that these figures are easy to come by. I know that $1,200 plus is a pretty big bite for most average people, but when you consider the level of the technology on board the Air 3, this is pretty fair pricing. But I do want to know what you think. Let me know down in the comments below. Again, are you going to purchase the Air 3? I've been asking you this right through, but as we learn more, I want to know, are you planning on still purchasing the Air 3 when it drops next Tuesday? Let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up icon down below. Helps me out a lot, helps get this video out into the algorithm. And if you really, really like this video, you love drone content made by drones, about drones, and for drone pilots, this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And while you're at it, hit the bell icon. It gives you a notification every time I post a new video. Until next time, I'm Chris, the Drone Geek, and I am out of here because Stone Cold said so.
Yo, what you